Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the puzzle page. Yes, we have a puzzle page here in the weekend edition of Saturday, November the 11th, 2023. In this puzzle page, we have here six extra puzzles, two binary Sudokus with 3 stars. We have one killer Sudoku, two binaries 10 by 10, and one jigsaw Sudoku aka tectonic. Yes. Not so good news because in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles. Let me show you no extra puzzles. No additional. No additional with extra puzzles for the Sunday. Yeah. For the Sunday. So what I will do is today I will solve four of those puzzles in the puzzle page. Tomorrow I will do the rest of the puzzles of the puzzle page. There will be two left, and also I will do the rest of the puzzles of the Friday edition. Yeah, 5 puzzles. And in the evening I will do the Samurai Sudoku. Okay, let me start with the 3 stars Sudoku. 3 stars Sudoku number 7429, I believe. Let me check. Yeah, 7429. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. One less. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. This one has one more. Not one less, one more. So is this really a 3 stars? I don't know. I think it's a 2 stars for 2 stars puzzle. I need 15 to 20 minutes. For 3 stars, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright. Okay, we will see if this is really a 3 stars or a 4 star. 3 stars or a 2 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, only 2 place level the 6 will be here or there. You see a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6. 6. Need a 6 here, yeah. 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row. So the row between. Second row, the only place level the 6 should be there. Huh? 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the middle column, so no 6 in these two boxes. Here, 6 in this row, no 6 in that box. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in this row, 6 in one of those two boxes in the row below. So in the last row, the only two places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Cannot continue with the 6 now, need to wait. 4 in this column, 4 in the third column, so the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. See a 4 in the middle row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. The 4 in the last row, the 4 in a row above, so that row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. See a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there, 4. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this second row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. The 4 in the first row, the 4 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 in the last column, no 4 there, so the only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 4. Okay, and now 8. Come on. Which number can I pick? 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row above the only place level 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places left for 9 should be here. Or there, we see a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this, oh no, we already have a 9. 9, 9, okay. Here, 9, 9, and here, 9, 9. Cannot continue with the 9 now, need to wait. Alright, 1, 1, 1, okay. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. Here, 1 in the second column. No 1 in that box, so the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And I believe we have a pair. The 1 and the 9 in this column, the 1 and the 9 in the middle column. So the column next, though, only 2 places left for the 1 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes. It's a pair. Okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. 8, 5, and 3. Okay. And now, how about the 3 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the middle row, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 1 number is 1, the 2, 3. The 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in the last column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the last column, so the column between. Only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row, so the third row. Only place left for the 8 should be there. 1 box left in the middle row for the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in the last column for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8 and 9 is missing, 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 7 in the third row, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and then 9 goes there. Alright. 2, 2. Need a 2 here, need a 3 here, need a 5 here. And I need a 1 here. Okay. 1, 1. 1, 3, 5, 7. Need a 7 here. Okay, and now. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 7 should be there. And I've eliminated the 6, so the 6 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Now I can count. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 6. Okay. Alright. And now, 5 and the 8. Okay. 7. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So the last row, only place left for the 7. Should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the third column, so the column between. Second column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit on 3, number 7. Okay, and now. Then. 3, 8. I need the 8. 3, 5, and 1, 3, 5 and a 1, 3, 3, 5 and 8. Two numbers left in the last row. Four numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7 and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have an 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 5 goes there. 8, 8, 8, 8. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 8. We have an 8 in this column, so no 8 in these two boxes. One box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. So I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. So 1 is left in this big square for the mark. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 5. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then let me see. How about the 5, 5, and I need an 8 here. Yeah. We have a pair, the 5 and 8 in the last row, the 5 and 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places left for the 5 and 8 goes in these 3 boxes. 5 and 8, 5 and 8, 5 and 8. And look, we have 5 and 8 in the third column, so no 5 and 8 in this box. 5 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in the third column for number 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in the third row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 1 and a 9, we have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So the first row, the only place level 2 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in the first row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row, so in the third row. Only place level the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 and 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square. Same numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Well, 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. Let me give this a 0 stars. I'm faster than 14 minutes, so well, please with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. No, not tomorrow. In a minute. In a minute with the second puzzle, the killer Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.